Hello everyone, welcome to TwilioQuest Tuesdays. My name is Joe and I am extremely excited to be joining you all again. We're here to celebrate the interns because they've been doing silly things. And what do I mean by silly things? Well, let's crack open this leaderboard, shall we? This is the leaderboard of the operation that's been running. What is an operation, I hear you ask, kind viewer? If you're new to this channel and you haven't encountered an operation before, an operation is basically a time-boxed period in which, kind of like an event, you can use it for an event, in which people can earn experience on TwilioQuest. So the idea is you create an operation, say, for starting on Friday and ending on Monday, and you say, hey, during this period, earn as much experience as you can, or complete the JavaScript mission, or complete the Pythonic temple. And then TwilioQuest will count up all the experience that the participants earn during that time period and present it on this lovely leaderboard. So you can see all of the progress they've made. So this is really useful for running events, for running hackathons, for managing your classrooms, because if you want to keep track of what students are doing, you can use operations. And this is an operation which people have joined to with teams. Isaac said he's in team 11, as you can see here, some top scorers there, but also individuals can join as well. So loads of ways to see kind of what they're up to, and I wanted to start with the operation to do some context setting here, chat, to kind of give you an idea of just how much the interns have done in 3 days, because right up here we can see the total XP earned by the interns. The interns, I can't remember exactly how many there are, but I think there's about 5, average of 5 per team, and we have 11 teams, I think. 12 teams, so probably about 60 interns, probably about there, have earned 277,000 experience. What does that mean? If you haven't played a whole bunch of TwilioQuest, that number might, be kind of nebulous to you. So let me put that in context. TwilioQuest, you do missions. Let's jump over to TwilioQuest. No, that's the wrong screen. There we go. You select missions, right? And that content covers a number of things. So we've got basic training, which teaches you about TwilioQuest mainly. You can learn JavaScript, you can learn Python, you can learn PHP, you can learn basic development tools about learning the CLI. You can learn Git and GitHub through open source. And then there's all of the Twilio missions, so you can learn different Twilio products. Each of those missions is made up of objectives. So if I jump into a mission, and I'll show you an objective. An objective is something that you do to get past these little laser barriers normally. It's an exercise, it's an activity, it's a moment of learning. So for example, this one is teaching us to create a folder on our workspace to put all of our JavaScript code in, because we're going to be doing JavaScript during this mission. And you'll see that it has an objective and things that I can do. And you see here that it gives XP on completion. 100 XP. That is pretty much the norm, right? 100 XP. So straight away, when I say they've earned 277,000 experience, you're getting an idea of how much XP they've earned. It is a lot. It's a lot of experience. But you might be saying, hey, Joe, you showed us quite a few missions there. How much XP is available in each mission? And that varies a little bit. So for example, the basic training, that's about 2,600. The highest experience available in a mission is actually the JavaScript test lab, which gives you about 5,000 experience. In total, across all of the available missions, if you did every one of these, that's about 29,000 experience. So the interns over the course of the weekend have basically completed TwilioQuest 10 whole times, is what has happened here. It's kind of absurd. I can't do math in 2021, but let's say they did a JavaScript mission, the highest possible mission. They would have done that 55 times, which is wonderful. Basically, each of them have done it once, which is perfect. It's a huge achievement, and they've done an awful lot. They've played an awful lot of the game. It seems that folks had fun, given by the sheer amount of experience.